Hey, this is a quick video showing you how to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit on a King's Clear Touch thermostat. So to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, we have to access the hidden menu. So let's go ahead and get started. So to access the hidden menu, we actually have to first turn off the thermostat. So to turn off the thermostat, there are two buttons on the right of the thermostat. The lower button is the reset button, and the upper button is actually a switch for on or off. Go ahead and hit that switch and turn it off. As you can see here, my thermostat is now turned off. Once the thermostat is off, we're going to press and hold the P button and this semicircle button at the same time for about 2 to 3 seconds. So go ahead and press and hold both these buttons for about 2 to 3 seconds, and you're going to get into the hidden menu. Now, if I don't do anything on this hidden menu, it's actually going to save everything I've done and go back to the off mode screen after about 10 seconds. But as you can see right here, it did that. But on this hidden menu, we have to cycle and make our way to P8. So P1 sets a different setting that we don't want to change right now. We actually need to make our way to P8, which is what changes Fahrenheit and Celsius. So to change over to P8, go ahead and just hit the arrow button. This one right here, the lower arrow button. Don't hit these up or down buttons. Hit this arrow button. It's going to bring us over to P2. P3, keep hitting it until we make our way to P8, which is where we change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Right now you can see I am on Fahrenheit. OF is Fahrenheit. If I press this up button, it's going to go to OC, which is Celsius. And again, I can just keep cycling between these two. There's only two options. But right now it's on Fahrenheit. I'm going to make my way over to Celsius. Going to go ahead and hit save, which brings me over to P9. And then I'm just going to cycle through until I get out of these items. I believe there's only 13. Yep, there's only 13. So now I'm back in the off mode. I'm going to turn on the thermostat by hitting the switch again, and now it should be in Celsius. You can see before it was around 65 degrees. Now it's showing 19.6 degrees Celsius. And that is how you switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius on your King's Clear Touch thermostat. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.